Hello guys! Today I have got Sennheiser Momentum 5 headphones and I'm going to show you all the top tricks. So actually the first and the most important thing in this headphones is of course the application. This application is both compatible with the Android phones and iPhones. This application is called, wait a moment, I need to disable battery saver. Smart Control Plus. And here in this application, as you can see, we've got our headphones. I'm not currently paired with my headphones, they are factory resetted, but yes, we've got our headphones compatible with the application. Number 2. Here in this headphones, we've got Dolby Atmos support and immersive audio, and of course head tracking. We can move our headphones, head actually left and right, up and down, and it will track our movement and adjust the sound, spatial sound, to this thing. So this is the second thing. The third thing is that we've got here Adaptive ANC, but Adaptive ANC, which is of course anti-wind also. We can adjust the strength in this application of this exact ANC, enable adaptive, which is based on our surroundings, and many others. What else can I tell you? Here in this application we've got something called sound zones. And when it comes to these sound zones, it's something that I actually don't really think that it's that useful, but yes, it is a top trick. And this is actually a feature where you can add your place, for example, your home, your workplace, your gym, etc., and just set your sound settings for this exact place. Like for example, I want to have bass boost turned off in my home at home, but I want to have it enabled at gym. So this is a nice feature, and actually when it comes to the top tricks, that should be actually it. Let me know if it helped you. Goodbye.